Hello, hello. I hope I'm centered. Got a new camera, got a new lens, really zoomed in. Excited about that because you can see deeper into my pores. Welcome to this video and me. Welcome to meeting me and doing something new. I'm opening up my very first Allure. Oh yeah, the shine. Allure beauty box. If you don't know what this is, it's a monthly subscription box from a magazine company which is owned by Condé Nast, I think. Only found that out because they showed up on my billing statement as Condé Nast, and I was like, when did I support this? Just now, apparently. I'm very excited. The format of this video is going to be me getting the makeup product, acting surprise. No, it'll be genuine surprise. And not wearing any makeup right now. You know what I don't understand? When people do these videos and have like makeup on, because you're getting makeup and then you can't try it in front of the camera, but you mention that you'll try it on and like, or you'll mention if it's good or not in another video. I don't understand that. Well, time is money. I'm here on this video. I'm not waiting a week for your other video to show up just to see if something's good or not. You know, I need immediate gratification. There's some stuff in here, so whatever. First thing. Oh, I've tried this before, so I can give you an immediate review on this Belif serum thing. It's alright. I mean, I have some pretty bad skin, so it wasn't doing any miracles. It's cute. I'll do it again. I used it all. Put it on my eye. I'll put it on my eye right now. Does that show up? It's a little hard, but creamy. Okay, putting it on my eyes as we speak. It's like skincare. Skincare gotta start in the 20s, ladies, okay? So, not too early. I love the smell. I think it's awesome. The way it feels is nice and refreshing, and yeah, just the scent is really what gets me. And you can look at my eyes. I have been using it. I think the way I use it is more for preventative care. Perhaps it can be used to improve eye conditions, but I mean, I can't tell because what is there to improve? Right? Don't disagree with me on that. The full size is $58. They don't sell this, so we're not going to have any price value on that, sadly. Sorry. Always saw commercials for this, and I've always wanted to try it, but Olay just seemed like such a generic brand that I never believed actually works. So I will insert a clip to give you my initial reviews on it when I try it out. Not as pleasant as the Belif eye cream. Doesn't matter though if it works. It smells like a hand cream. I don't know what to say about that. But it comes with a $3 coupon in here. So if you like it, we'll do something. That's nice. It's hard to explain, but you know those little soda candies that look like ramune? But they're like mints or something, and you know the feeling of them dissolving in your mouth, like that's what it feels like when I rub it on my skin, if that makes sense. But yeah, they're both good. I didn't notice anything bad from them, but I'm probably not going to continue using the retinol just because I did Curology and they recommended that I don't use retinol for some reason. But I did it anyway. I broke the rules just so I could try it out. Oh, exciting! A lipstick. It's from Appeal and it is in Muse. It's a full size and it is $21, so already you're getting your money back. $21 lipstick. And this little plastic component, I don't know. I'll put it on right now. What do you think? A no? A yes with my skin tone? With this hair color that I'm now rocking? I think the hair helps. But let me know if I look crazy. I'm keeping it on for the rest of the video. It's creamy. The scent is vanilla-y. Appeal Cosmetics specializes in luxurious cosmetics. I guess that justifies the price point. Is there a Wikipedia for it? I have some things that I want to mention about the Appeal Cosmetics lipstick. So I did a little Google to check the company, and I don't know if it's new, you know, they're starting out, and I would hate to trash on someone that's just starting out their business. I'd hate to be a hater, but I just don't think it's worth the, what, $21? I feel like that's kind of high. The plasticky packaging, the way it felt, max I would spend is maybe $10. And even then I'd be like, this is definitely like an $8, like, it's like a Revlon lipstick that you can get at the drugstore. I don't know why it's so expensive. And a lot of their packaging looks generic and stuff. Maybe it's trying to be faux luxury in the way it looks. It's very reminiscent of that Dior lip glossy lipstick, whatever thing is. I get it, but I mean, look at the packaging. Maybe I don't understand it. It looks very minimal. And I know I shouldn't trash on something just because of packaging. Like, the product is what's important. But to me, the product was okay. And it performed the same as an $8 or $9 lipstick. So maybe I'm being too harsh. It doesn't seem like it took a lot of money to make, if that makes sense. That's just from a consumer's perspective, not a manufacturer's one. That being said, it's not bad by any means, but it's not worth $21 to get by itself. It's nice to get in a box, but you know, that's my review on it. Okay, moving on. A blush. Oh no, it's not a blush, it's a highlighter. I've heard of Wander Beauty, but only through watching other subscription box videos, so. But I hear good things about them from that. It's good. I don't wear a lot of highlighter because my skin is very textured, so putting highlighter, especially cream ones, on my skin is kind of like a little no-no. It just highlights where my pores are and where there's uneven texture, so I don't do that often. I'll show you what it looks like on my skin anyway. My skin is already so shiny. Believe it or not, I put powder on. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Do you see? This shows where the non-highlighted parts are, aka where my skin sinks in. I'm gonna put on my nose. Just gonna really beauty tutorial this shit. I don't know. Insta-baddie it. From the top, your nose, just your forehead. Show them how much oil you can produce as a human. You know, crude oil. That was cool. That's what it looks like. Giving to a lucky friend a luxury product. A very small sample though. They're not going to give you a full size of a luxury product, I'm sure. This is a lip maestro. Oh, cute! The little baby songs. And it is in Cedar 206. Oh, a woody look. Okay, I'm excited about all these lip products. I don't have a lot, so just gonna rip that off my face like that because too lazy to go get a wipe. And that's why I have acne. I'm dirty. Lipstick for babies. Ooh, that is interesting. I like this shade a little bit more, though I will say it's going to be a little bit more dressy. Maybe it's a free thing I get because I signed up, but it's not included in the little pamphlet, so I can't say much about it. I like it. It's like not too of an intense red. I will say it's a little bit more mature, but I don't discriminate. Looking at it right now, I have no idea what this is. Oh, it's another lip color. Color 400. Rouge. I feel bad because I'm going to waste this lip color, but I'm going to have to take it off and try this one too. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Yep, that's definitely more matte, more drying. Maybe my lips are already just dry because I've tried on 3 different lip products. It's nice. It's definitely a little bit more blue. Dare I say pink? I don't know. Almost more of a true red. That classic red lip look. And I like the red before. I think it's a little darker, a little more mysterious, a little sexy. This one, maybe I would wear in a darker room for Valentine's Day dinner or something. Or if I wasn't going to kiss my boyfriend. Let me know what you think. Will I use it? I don't know if I'm strong enough to wear red, but maybe. The next item is a Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. Skin Mimetic Technology. Okay. Long Life Herb, California Poppy, and Lampuyang Ginger Extracts. Poppy. Will this give me a false positive on a drug test? I don't know. I'm gonna waste some right now. Ooh, looks like a little bit more of a watered down mucus. Simon. It smells wonderful though. It smells citrusy. I like that. So that is $58 for a full size. That was not a full size. Okay, so use this between toning and moisturizing. I will do that and I will let you know. Hey, so I thought that it felt nice on my skin and it didn't break me out, so that's good. And it didn't feel too oily and gross going to bed. Didn't even feel like I needed a moisturizer on afterwards, honestly. It felt nice and refreshing. As far as skin texture improvement or anything like that, I really could not tell. I don't think there was enough time for that. However, I do believe I look better than when I filmed this video. But I mean, I really look like I got pushed out of a butthole in this video, so that's not saying much of anything. Next item is a brush. I don't have a lot of brushes. That is why I signed up for this box, or boxes in general. Because I want to try new things, I want to get some new stuff. Yay! It is a NYX brush. Wow! This matte component. Metally. I like that. Feels good. Feels strong. I know NYX isn't like the most expensive brand out there. It feels like a really good quality for whatever price this is. It's $14 to $17. There's a choice of 3 brushes. I guess I wish I got the face one, the face kabuki looking one. But this is the Pro Contour brush. It's the most versatile of the bunch. Okay, if I do this, foundation, concealer, and contouring products become airbrushed. So I will put on my makeup tomorrow with this, and half of my face I will do with my regular shitty brush, wherever it may be, wherever it is lying, and I'll put the other half with this and you can be the judge of if it really did what it is claiming to do. So this is with the brush I got in the box. And this is how I usually do it. Might look the same, but do you see that? Did that really quickly. It would look a little better. Because there'd be foundation in there. I don't know, am I high? I think it looks better when I do this, personally. But you have to look really close. Otherwise, I don't notice too huge of a difference. So personally, I like denser brushes. This is not that. I mean, it's pretty dense for the shape, but I like, you know, the kabuki shape. I don't know. This could be good for dusting off like powder or something. I'm still gonna use it. I like it. So, thank you. And the last item is what I am least excited about, because I have a lot of face masks. It's the Super Beauty mask, so I'm not going to tell you what this is like, because I'm not going to try it. I'm going to give it to a friend because I think face masks are shit. I don't think they work for people that have like really apparent issues. I think they're fun, I think they're cute to do with friends, I think they're relaxing, but no. This is bullshit. So, there it is. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. And the dogs are barking, so I'm going to end this now. Peace.